Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Inorganic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. You have to find hybridization and shape. Finding hybridization is easy. You have to find the steric number. Steric number defined by H, which is V plus B minus C by 2. V represent valency, B is bonded atom, C is charge, 2 represent bond pair. Lone pair can be calculated from H minus B. Let us get into PCl5. PCl5 valency is 5, bonded atoms are 5. So if you apply to steric number formula, H equals 10 by 2. 10 by 2 gives 5. Then lone pair is 5 minus 5 equals 0. So you have H5. H5 means sp3d1 hybridization, which is trigonal bipyramidal. So shape of the PCl5 is trigonal bipyramidal. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.